Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics. We are in complex number. Two classes have been finished. I think three classes. No, two classes we have finished. Let us see third class. From question number 11 to 15 we are going to finish in this class. 5 questions we will do in complex number. Different types only. Okay, and all are from examination only. I have chosen some questions which will give good experience to tackle new questions. Okay, see question number 11. 1 plus I into x minus I divided by 2 plus I plus 1 plus 2I into y plus I divided by 2 minus I is equivalent to 1. That means this complex number is equivalent to 1 means what? Can understand? That means this complex number doesn't have imaginary part, or else imaginary part we will make 0. Okay, if you make such that, then they are asking us to find x, y values. X, y are there here. You see here y, here x is there. X, y values you have to find. How to find and all we will see slowly. We will proceed. Okay, see, first of all, you expand this. Why? Because see, into x is there. Send x inside. LHS I am taking. RHS I have not taken. LHS. You see, x plus I into x minus I divided by 2 plus I. Okay, plus y you send inside. Y plus 2iy plus I divided by 2 minus I. Okay. Okay. Now see, you separate, already separated, but you segregate imaginary part and real part. You see here real part only x plus I. Imaginary part is x minus 1. Why? Because here minus 1 is there. X minus 1. X minus 1. Or else no, let it be like this only. We will cross multiply. Why? Because once again, why should we do like that? We will cross multiply. While cross multiplication, this is going to become 2 square plus 1 square. Why? Because here 1 minus 1 plus 1. 2 square plus 1 square it is going to become. Okay? Cross multiply. You see I am cross multiplying. 2 minus I into x plus ix minus I plus 2 plus I into y plus 2iy or 2yi plus I all divided by 2 plus I into 2 minus I. I will write afterwards, we will make this value. 2 plus I into 2 minus I. We know very well that 2 square plus 1 square. Okay? Okay. Proceed further. You see, first you have to do with 2. Next you have to do with minus I. Here also, first you have to do with 2. Next you have to do with plus I, multiplication. Let us do the multiplication. That is equal to 2 into x is 2x. Minus I plus I 2x minus 2i minus ix minus I square x minus minus plus I square. Okay, this is over. We can put plus. Why? Because already LCM is there, no problem. Okay, with 2 with minus I both I have done. Now you do with 2y plus 4yi, 2 into 2 4yi plus 2y again 2i. Now with plus iy plus 2y I square plus I square. Okay. See, denominator, what I do, I am not drawing bigger line. 2 square plus 1 square. I am writing like this, you see. 2 square plus 1 square. Okay. This is denominator. Okay. Proceed further. See here, 2x I square value, real number I am making. You see, 2x I square is minus 1, minus 1 minus, minus of minus plus x, 2x plus x minus 1. This is real part over. This is real, this is real, this is real. Now imaginary part you come. Plus I into 2x minus 2 minus x. Okay. This is imaginary part, this is real part. This side. Okay, this side is over. Now come this side. Plus real part 2y. I square is minus 1. Minus 2y. I square is minus 1. This is the real part over. This. Now come for imaginary part. Plus I. 4y. Plus 2. Plus y. Okay. Again see, I am not drawing this much of big line. 2 square 4 plus 1 5 divided by 5. I am writing here only divided by 5. Okay. See, for writing this you have to put one bracket. This divided by 5. Okay. Now, okay, make it 2x plus x is 3x. 3x minus 1. Write down. That is equal to 3x minus 1 plus I. 2x minus x, x minus 2. Okay. Plus 2y minus 5, both are going to get cancelled. Minus 1 plus I. 4y plus 5, 5y plus 2. 5y plus 2. Okay. Now you can write divided by 5 is equal to, now you see 3x minus 1 real numbers are there. You add real number. Real number. You see 3x minus 1 minus 1. Okay. That's all. Real number over. Plus I. Imaginary number x minus 2 plus 5y plus 2. Plus 5y plus 2. Okay. Whole divided by 5. Whole divided by 5. Shall I write like this? You see here. Divided by 5. Divided by 5. Okay. For real part and imaginary part. Okay. Now you see 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 by 5 plus I. Wait. You see here plus 2 minus 2 going to get cancelled. X plus 5y. X plus 5y by 5. Okay. This is final number. Okay. This is real part. This is imaginary part. Wait. Now you see this is equivalent to 1. 1 means what? 1 plus I 0. That's all. Given this is equivalent to, or else I am right first equivalent to 1 plus I 0 given. Okay. Equal to 1 they have given. Now first of all you make equals of 0 and you make equal of this real part also 1. See, if you make equal to 1 then you are going to get x value. First you do this. Okay. Write down. 3x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 and x plus 5y by 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. See, 3x minus 2 by 5 equal to 0 means 3x minus 2 is 5. Write down. 3x minus 2 is equal to 5 or 3x is equal to 7 or x is equal to 7 by 3. One value you have got. Why? Because two values you want, x and y. X value got. Then you find y value also. Then you substitute there. Here. You see, x plus 5y is equal to 0. Why? Because 5 if you send that side it is going to become 0. Then x value you are having. 5y is equal to minus x. That means minus 7 by 3. Then what about y? Y is equal to minus 7 by 15. Okay, 5 into 3 15. Now you have got x and y values. X is 7 by 3, y is minus 7 by 15. These are the values for this question. Okay, take this, we will go for 12th question. Okay, see 12th question. This question is asked in Eamcet 2016. 1 plus I whole to the power of 2016 divided by 1 minus I whole to the power of 2014. Okay. See, now we have to find the value, final value of this complex numbers. Why? Because this is also a complex number, this is also a complex number. Division is there. Okay. See, we can do rationalization, but powers should be same. If powers are same, means internally we can do rationalization. Afterwards, we can find the value. But how to make equal powers? Okay, you can reduce the power. You cannot increase this power, but you can reduce the power. See, 2016 you can reduce 2014 into 2. Okay, see how I am doing. 1 plus I whole to the power of 2014 into 1 plus I whole square. Is it okay? Why? Because when bases are same, then powers are going to add. 2016 it is going to become. Okay, why we have made 2014? Why? Because denominator is having power 2014. Divided by 1 minus I whole to the power of 2014. Okay? Okay. Now you see how I am making this. That is equal to 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole to the power of 2014 into 1 plus I whole to the power of square. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you rationalize this 1 plus I by 1 minus I. Okay, and see what will come under. That is equal to 1 plus I into 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I whole to the power of 2014 into 1 plus I whole to the power of 2. Rationalization, denominator conjugate, 1 minus I conjugate is 1 plus I, 1 plus I into 1 plus I, we have multiplied. Okay, let us go further. Okay, see, 1 plus I whole square, 1 square plus I square plus 2y, numerator. Come for denominator. Denominator is very simple, 1 square plus 1 square, whole to the power of 2014. Into 1 plus I whole square, that is equal to. You see, I square value is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 going to get cancelled. Numerator is 2i. 1 plus 1, 2. 2014 into, now you can expand this also. 1 square plus I square plus 2i. 2 going to get cancelled. I to the power of 2014. I to the power of 2014 into, you see here also, I square 1. Both are going to get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1. 2i. Okay? 2i. Now come back. What is I to the power of 2014? You split by 4. 2014 you split by 4. Okay? 4 50s are 200. 1 14. 4 3s are 12. That means denominator is 2. Sorry, remainder is 2. 2 is going to what we can say? Remainder. You see what we do? That's it. 2 is remainder means this value is I square. That's all. Why? Because see 4 times I to the power of 4 is 1. Okay? I to the power of 4 is 1. That means I to the power of 4 into 2 like. That is equal to I to the power of 4 into I square into 2i. Okay? How it has come? I to the power of 2 is the remainder. Okay? But see, if you divide with 1. I to the power of 4 is 1. That is equal to I square into 2i. That is equal to I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2i. That is equal to minus 2i. Value of this is minus 2i. Take this, we will go for 13th question. Okay, see question number 13. If z is equal to x minus iy and z to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to p plus iq. Okay, this complex number. See, both equivalent they are mentioning. Z to the power of 1 by 3 means p plus iq. If only z means x minus iy. Okay. Then they are asking what is the value of 1 by p square plus q square into x by p plus y by q. Like they are asking. This question is asked in Eamcet 2016. See how we are tackling this question. Okay. See, xy value how to find it. Or else we will see how we have to proceed. Okay. See, z power 1 by 3 is equal to p plus iq. Shall I write z is equal to p plus iq whole cube? Z is equal to p plus iq whole cube. Is it okay? Why? Because if something power cube root is means that side, if you send this cube root, it is going to become cube. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now expand this. Why? Because a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A cube plus b cube plus 3a b square. See, I square also you have to do. Don't forget. Okay. Plus 3ab square. 3ab square plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. 3a square b. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3ba. 3a square b. Okay. Let us proceed. See why? How? I square value we know -1. Okay, this is going to mix in real number. Okay, see, z is equal to, again, z is equal to p cube. See, I square value is -1 means minus 3pq square. Minus 3pq square. This is going to become real part. Plus I am taking, or else let me write first. Plus I cube. I square is -1. I cube is minus I. Minus I cube. Minus I cube. This value. This value over this value. Now again, you see I. Okay. Plus 3 p square q I. Okay, this is imaginary part. Okay, wait. Now also I you can take common. You take common I. That is equal to p cube minus 3pq square. This is real part. Minus only you take. Why? Because see, if you go back here, x minus iy is there. X minus iy I want to write. Minus iy means what? Minus I will take common. Minus I if I take common. Q cube minus 3p square qi. Minus 3p square q. That's all. Minus 3p square q. I have already taken common. Minus y minus plus. 3p square is minus plus. Okay. Now go back and compare. X is equal to this one. Y is equal to this one. Why? Because minus I is there. Now you write down. X is equal to z is equal to x minus iy implies x is equal to p cube minus 3pq square comma y is equal to y minus iy minus iy minus iy. Y is equal to q cube minus 3p square q. Okay. Now go back. What they are asking? This they are asking, but see, x by p, y by q they are asking. S by p, y by q, if you do automatically, p you can take common and cancel, q you can take cancel. Okay, that is going to happen. Write down first. First you find only x by p plus y by q. Then you multiply, divide with it p square plus q square. Like that you do. Okay, we proceed further. Okay, x by p plus y by q. What I am writing, you see. x by p plus y by q is equal to this one in bracket. Okay, see what is x? P square minus 3q square divided by this p. Why I have written like this? Why? Because I want to cancel p. Why? Because here p cube is there. P cube minus 3pq square. Okay? Same like q also I will take common. Why? Q. Q if I take common, q square minus 3p square. That's all. Divided by q. Why? Q I want to cancel. Then cancel p, q. What will happen? This value is p square minus 3q square. Don't put any bracket. Why? Because directly no denominator is there now. Directly you can add and subtract. P square plus q square. P square plus q square. Q has gone already. Okay? Minus 3p square minus 3q square. Minus 3p square plus q square. Oh, okay, minus, that's all. Okay, let me write. Let me expand. You see p square, okay, minus 3q square, okay, plus q square, okay, minus 3p square, that's all. Okay, now you see these values what are going to become? P square minus 3p square minus 2p square minus 2p square. Q square minus 3 square minus 2q square minus 2q square. Shall I take minus 2 common? Yes, definitely. That is equal to minus 2p square plus q square. Okay, this is the value of x by p plus y by q. Okay, now you see this divided by p square plus q square you have to do. Write down once again. 1 by x square, sorry, p square plus q square into x by p plus y by q is equal to, okay, minus 2 into p square plus q square divided by p square plus q square. Now cancel p square plus q square, minus 2 will be the final answer. Okay? Take this, we will go for 14th question. Okay, see the question number 14. If modulus of z1 is equal to 1, modulus of z2 is equal to 2, modulus of z3 is equal to 3. And one more, see these three values they have given, and fourth value also they have given. Fourth value is little bit equation type. Modulus of 9z1 z2 plus 4z1 z3 plus z1 z2 z3, that means 1 into z2 z3 is equal to 12. Okay, that means see they have given like four equations. They are asking us to find the value of this one, this equation. Modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 they are asking. Okay, see we know one basic theorem or property. What is that property I am telling? You see, z into z bar is equal to modulus of z square. This property we know. Okay. Conjugate complex number and its conjugate multiplication gives modulus z whole square. Okay. A plus ib into a minus ib. Conjugate is a minus ib. Will give a square plus b square. That is equivalent to modulus square normally. Modulus means square root you are going to keep. Modulus square means square root is going to become cancelled out. Okay, modulus square. Okay, now you go back and see here. Z1 bar is equal to 1. What I am writing, you see, 1 by 1. Z1 into Z1 bar is equal to Z1 modulus square. Z1 is how much? 1. That means Z1 into Z1 bar is equal to 1 square. 1 square or 1 both are same. That is why I have not written. Okay. Now, likewise, if you write Z2 bar is equal to 2 square 4. Okay, again I am not writing 2 square, directly 4 I have written. Okay, 2 square. Z3 bar is equal to 9. Shall I write 3 square? Why I have written? Why? Because if you see here, 9 is there. Z2 Z3 bar you can write. 4 is there. Z2 Z2 bar you can write. 1 is there. Z1 Z1 bar you can write. Now you replace. You see how I am replacing. Okay. See what I am writing now. Modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus 1 into Z2 Z3 modulus is equal to, see LHS I have taken 12, I have not yet taken like you think. Okay. Is equal to, how I am modifying this, you see, 9 shall I write like this, Z3 bar, Z3 bar, Z1 Z2 plus 4 shall I write Z2 bar, Z2 bar conjugate Z1 Z3 plus, shall I write 1? Why? Because 1 is not there, then you can write 1 multiplication. Z1 bar, Z1 bar, Z2 Z3, close the modulus. Are these equal? Yes, definitely equal. Why? Because 9 is having that value, that's all. Okay. Now you proceed further. Why? Because see, what we are proceeding, you see here, Z1 Z2 Z3, Z1 Z2 Z3, Z1 Z2 Z3, Z1 Z2 Z3 you can take common. See how I am doing. Z1 Z2 Z3 I have taken common. If I take common, Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar will come inside the modulus. Is it okay? First you see, Z1 Z2 Z3 into Z3, Z1 Z2 Z3 into Z3, Z1 Z2 Z3 into Z2 bar, Z1 Z2 Z3 into Z2 bar, likewise. Okay. Okay. Now you see, we know very well multiplication is there like constant. We can take this out. Okay, definitely separate. That is equal to Z1 Z2 Z3 separate modulus outside, again modulus inside this separate modulus into, see here into is there, that is why multiplication Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar. Okay. Now Z1 Z2 Z3 values we are having. Okay. Values having means modulus, but you can separate this modulus also. See how I am doing now. Z1 bar, sorry, not bar. Z1 modulus into Z2 modulus into Z3 modulus into this one. Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar is equal to. Are these same? Definitely same. Why? Because see, you can separate also modulation. This is a property. We know. These values we are having 1 into 2 into 3. Write down. 1 into 2 into 3 modulus of Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar is equal to. Okay. Now come back. 6. Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar is equal to. See, RHS 12 is there. That means first you write 12 divided by this 6. That is equal to 2. Okay? Now you tell me A plus IB modulus is same value. A minus IB also modulus is same value. Likewise, Z1 bar same value modulus. Z1 modulus same value. That means shall I write like this? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 modulus. Both equal? Definitely equal. This is the answer. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 2. Final answer is 2. Okay. Take this. We will go for 15th question. Okay. See question number 15. For a complex number, Z is equal to A plus IB. This is one complex number. And the peculiar symbol they have given, you see, Z caret. This is called caret, inverted V. Inverted V symbol is caret. Z caret is equal to B plus IA. See, A plus IB reversed, B plus IA. This is not conjugate. Conjugate is A minus IB. But here, A plus IB is going to become B plus IA. Interchanging of real and imaginary parts. Okay, that is called Z caret. Okay. If Z1, Z2 are such numbers, complex numbers, then Z1, Z2 whole caret. That means Z1, Z2 you multiply and make it whole caret. What is the value of that they are asking? You see, directly you can make and find the value, but that value they are not given. They are asking us to find in these. Okay, I know the answer. I will prove it after making it. Then you can check for remaining also. Okay. See, these type of questions will take time. Why? Because after making that also again each one you have to test. And normally answers will be at least 3 or 4, not 1 or 2. That means they want to waste your time. Okay? You cannot do anything here. There is no shortcut for this. Let us proceed. Okay. See, let Z1, Z2 they are giving na. See, Z1 is equal to A1 plus I B1. Okay, comma. Z2 is equal to A2 plus I B2. Like that I have taken. Like. See, before applying caret, I will multiply Z1 and Z2. Then apply caret. Okay, like that we have to do. Z1 and Z2 is equal to A1 plus I B1 into A2 plus I B2. Okay. Okay, proceed further. Z1, Z2 is equal to A1, A2 plus I A1, B2 plus I A2, B1 plus I square B1, B2. Okay. See here, I square value you can put in real part. Why? Because I square is minus 1. That means minus B1, B2. A1, A2 minus B1, B2. Right now. A1, A2 minus B1, B2. This is real part. Plus I. A1, B2 plus A2, B1. See, both are plus only. I. Okay. A1, B2 plus A2, B1. Okay. What is this? This is Z1, Z2. That's all. But not caret. Caret you apply now. Z1, Z2 caret. Write down. Z1, Z2 caret is equal to Z1, Z2 caret is equal to whole. Z1, Z2 whole caret. Real part and imaginary part you interchange. You see what is that? A1, B2 plus A2, B1 is real part. Now it is going to become real part. Why? Because earlier it is imaginary part. Plus I. Imaginary part is A1, A2 minus B1, B2. Okay. This is Z1, Z2 caret value. Okay. Now, 4 answers they have given. Each one you have to test. Z1 caret, Z2 caret you make and multiply. Z1 caret and Z2 bar caret. First you make Z2 bar, then you make caret. This one. Z1 bar and Z2 caret. Like that you have to do. See, answer is 3. I am proving in front of you. Why? Because for you in your examination in rough work you have to do this. Okay. See, Z1 bar into Z2 caret. Z1 bar into Z2 caret is equal to Z1 bar means what? See, A1 minus I B1. Why? Because bar I minus I. A1 minus I B1 into Z2 caret. Z2 caret means see B2 plus I A2. B2 plus I A2. Why? Because caret means B2 A2. Interchanging of real and imaginary part. Now you multiply this. Multiply this. This is C answer. Okay. See A1 B2. Okay. Plus I A1 A2 minus I B1 B2 minus I square A2 B1. Okay. See, I square means minus 1. Minus or minus plus. Then you write here. Z1 bar Z2 caret is equal to A1 B2. First you write A1 B2. This is going to become plus A2 B1. Plus A2 B1 close, real part over, plus I A1 A2 minus B1 B2. Okay, this is imaginary part. You go and see here, is this the same? A1 B2 A2 B1 A1 B2 A2 B1 plus I A1 A2 minus B1 B2 A1 A2 minus B1 B2. Okay, both are equal. Okay, like this you have to solve this question. Okay, we do one thing, we stop this class here, we will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.